Staff in the district's Bureau of Land Resources are the stewards of over 425,000 acres of land purchased to protect water resources. Our Natural Systems mission involves protection, management, and restoration of natural communities to promote biodiversity and protect and conserve water within our ownership. Our work to manage these wild and scenic places includes restoration of disturbed natural habitats to promote natural diversity, conducting controlled burns to improve fire-dependent natural habitats and to reduce wildfire risks, and timber management for sustainable harvest and restoration. Our team also uses a variety of tools to control invasive and problematic plants on district lands to further promote native ecosystems, provide flood control, and protect water supply. We also manage leases for cattle and apiaries, which help provide some funding that goes back into our lands program. This program is guided by property-specific, science-based management plans and stakeholder site visits that help us ensure these lands are appropriately cared for. While these lands help protect water resources, they also offer quality resource-based recreational activities that are compatible with the district's 4 core missions. Come see our work and enjoy activities such as hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, horseback riding, and more.